Running an e-commerce store is exciting, but managing social media can feel like a full-time job. We'll show you how to automate your social media marketing using free and low-cost tools, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Keeping your social media presence active is crucial for connecting with customers and promoting your products. But manually posting across different platforms can be overwhelming. Here are 2 types of helpful tools to automate your social media marketing. 1. Scheduling tools, and 2. Auto-posting from RSS feed. Scheduling tools. Platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later allow you to schedule posts in advance for all your social media channels. This lets you plan your content calendar and publish consistently without needing to be online all the time. Buffer offers a 14-day free plans with unlimited features, perfect for getting started. Hootsuite and Later also offer a free trial on registration. Auto-posting from RSS feeds. What is an RSS feed? An RSS feed, really simple syndication, provides live updates on new content from websites or blogs, allowing users to receive summaries of articles, posts, or product listings as they are published. How does auto-posting from RSS feeds work? Auto-posting from RSS feeds is a common feature in social media scheduling tools that allows users to schedule posts automatically based on the RSS feeds subscribed to. Here's the basic process. First, find your website's RSS feed URL. This can be done several ways. Look for the RSS icon. Many websites with blogs or frequently updated content display an orange square icon with white sound waves. This is the traditional RSS icon, and clicking it will often take you directly to the website's RSS feed. Or, check the website's footer located at the bottom of most web pages. Look for text like, "Subscribe to our RSS feed," or an RSS icon within the footer section. Or, use a search engine and type in the website's name followed by RSS feed. For example, searching for BBC News RSS feed will lead you to the BBC News RSS feed URL. Viewing the website's source code and using a URL discovery tool are other ways of finding a website's RSS feed URL, but these methods require a little more technical know-how. By trying these methods, you should be able to locate the RSS feed URL of most websites that offer them. Not all websites will have an RSS feed, especially those without regularly updated content. Connect the RSS feed to your social media scheduling tool. Each tool has its own specific instructions, but generally you'll paste the RSS feed URL into the designated field within the platform. Set up auto-posting rules. Decide which content from your website you want to automatically post to social media. Some tools allow filtering by category, tags, or keywords within your RSS feed. Customize your post, optional. While automation saves time, consider adding a personalized touch to your automatically generated posts. You can craft a short introduction or include relevant hashtags before scheduling them. Here are some popular social media scheduling tools that offer RSS feed integration: Buffer, Hootsuite, Later, and Sprout Social. Here are some additional tips for successful social media automation. Content is king. Even with automation, high-quality visuals and engaging captions are crucial. Use a mix of product photos, promotional content, and user-generated content to keep your audience interested. Maintain brand voice. Don't lose your brand personality in automation. Make sure your scheduled posts reflect your brand's unique voice and tone. Schedule at optimal times. Research peak posting times for your target audience on each platform. Scheduling tools often have analytics to help you identify these optimal times. Don't neglect engagement. Automation is a time saver, but social media is a two-way street. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations to build relationships with your audience. By automating repetitive tasks and focusing on quality content and audience engagement, you can create a thriving social media presence for your e-commerce store, even with limited time and resources. In the comments below, tell me which social media platform you find most challenging to manage. Maybe we can brainstorm some automation strategies for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you succeed in the e-commerce world.